1 pound of Tannerite versus a cinder block. Go when you're ready.
Here it reverberates.
Hold on.
What?
It's raining
Concrete.
It's raining. Awesome. That cinder block gone. Good.
Oh my God.
It reverberated.
Did it blow in there?
Yeah.
Is that the plastic?
That's a plastic bucket. Look at the ground.
God.
Look at these. Holding the. That was awesome.
Look,
It blew a hole in the ground.
where it was, where the
Yeah.
backside, look
It
what
shot
it did back there. Just defoliated all that plant material. I can't believe what it did to that pot, and it was sitting there. Look at it, crushed it down.
That was pretty cool.
It took concrete all the way to the shed, didn't it?
Yep.
It was raining
Raining on the barn.
Jesus Christ.
That's the biggest piece left of the cinder block.
There you go, folks.
Well, get rid of cinder block. Wow.